Are you tired of wondering what exactly makes a man fascinating to women? Do you ever wonder what the key is to some men's irresistible charm? Well, fret not, because today we're diving deep into the realm of attraction and uncovering the 12 irresistible qualities that women just can't resist in a man. As the great philosopher once said, know yourself, and today we're going on an exploration to find just what it takes to capture the hearts and minds of the fairer sex. From the subtle allure of a male perfume to the magnetic draw of confidence and leadership, we'll stop at nothing to discover the secrets of irresistible attractiveness. So buckle in and prepare to take notes, because by the end of this video, you'll have enough expertise and know-how to make any woman weak at the knees. Are you ready to become the epitome of irresistible charm? Well then, let's dive right in and uncover the magic together. Number 1, leadership and confidence. Leadership and confidence are like a magnetic force that draws women towards men. Confidence is not just about arrogance or being a know-it-all. It's about exuding an aura of strength, stability, and self-assurance. When a man carries himself with confidence, he stands out from the crowd, radiating a sense of assurance that is incredibly appealing to women. This confidence manifests in various aspects of life, from making decisions with conviction to taking charge of situations with ease. A man who can lead with confidence not only commands respect, but also instills a sense of security and trust in those around him. Ultimately, leadership and confidence go hand in hand, forming a powerful combination that makes a man irresistible to women. Number 2, good sense of humor. A good sense of humor is like a magnet that draws people in and creates a sense of connection. Women particularly appreciate men who can infuse humor into conversations, as it lightens the mood and makes interactions enjoyable. A man with a good sense of humor can effortlessly break the ice and create a comfortable atmosphere, allowing both parties to relax and be themselves. When a man can make a woman laugh, it not only showcases his wit and intelligence, but also demonstrates his ability to connect on a deeper level. Shared laughter creates a bond between two individuals, fostering a sense of camaraderie and mutual understanding. Ultimately, a good sense of humor can make a man incredibly attractive to women, as it adds warmth, charm, and spontaneity to any interaction. Number 3, masculine cologne. Imagine stepping into a room and instantly captivating everyone's attention, not just with your appearance, but with an aura of irresistible allure. This is the power of a masculine cologne. More than just a fragrance, it's a subtle yet potent tool that introduces you before you even utter a word. Picture it as the opening act of a captivating story, with your scent as the protagonist. A masculine cologne sends a message of sophistication, confidence, and allure. It whispers hints of mystery and sensuality, enticing those around you with its alluring aroma. When chosen thoughtfully, it becomes an extension of your personality, leaving a lingering trail of intrigue in your wake. Number 4, fitness. Fitness goes beyond just physical appearance. It encompasses discipline, dedication, and self-care. Women are naturally drawn to men who prioritize their health and well-being, as it reflects a sense of responsibility and commitment. Engaging in regular exercise not only improves physical fitness, but also boosts confidence and self-esteem, which are highly attractive qualities to women. It signifies vitality and energy, traits that contribute to overall attractiveness. By making fitness a priority, men not only enhance their physical appearance but also demonstrate qualities such as discipline and resilience, which are deeply admired by women seeking a partner who values self-improvement and personal growth. Number 5, independence. Independence is more than just a personal trait. It's a quality that exudes confidence and self-assurance, making it incredibly attractive to women. A man who is independent demonstrates that he is capable of standing on his own 2 feet, both emotionally and practically. This trait implies a level of self-reliance and resilience that women find appealing, as it signifies a partner who can navigate life's challenges with grace and confidence. This sense of inner strength and autonomy can be incredibly alluring to women, as it suggests a level of maturity and self-awareness that is highly desirable in a partner. Ultimately, independence is not about being detached or aloof, but about having a strong sense of self and the ability to thrive independently, which can make a man truly irresistible to women. Number 6, intelligence. Intelligence is a quality that transcends physical appearance and has a profound impact on a man's attractiveness to women. It goes beyond mere knowledge and encompasses the ability to engage in intellectually stimulating conversations. Women are drawn to men who can hold their own in discussions, share insightful perspectives, and challenge their minds. A man who demonstrates intelligence not only showcases his capacity for learning, but also his depth of understanding of the world around him. This creates a dynamic and enriching relationship where both individuals can learn from each other and grow together intellectually. In essence, intelligence is a trait that women find irresistible, as it reflects a man's mental prowess and his ability to engage with them on a deeper level. Number 7. Empathy. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others, and it plays a crucial role in building meaningful connections. For women, a man who displays empathy demonstrates a level of emotional intelligence that is highly attractive. When a man can truly listen and empathize with a woman's experiences, it creates a sense of trust and understanding that forms the foundation of a strong relationship. Empathy allows for genuine communication and fosters deep emotional connections, as it shows that a man is capable of acknowledging and validating a woman's emotions. A man who displays empathy is not only attentive to a woman's needs, but also makes her feel seen and understood. This ability to empathize creates a bond that transcends surface-level interactions, making a man truly irresistible to women who crave emotional connection and understanding in their relationships. Number 8. Manners. Manners speak volumes about a person's character and integrity. Exhibiting good manners, such as opening doors, offering jackets, and actively listening, not only shows respect for others, but also demonstrates thoughtfulness and consideration. These simple yet impactful gestures can leave a lasting impression on women, making them feel valued and appreciated. Moreover, displaying manners indicates a level of emotional intelligence and social grace, qualities that are highly attractive to women seeking meaningful connections. By practicing courtesy and etiquette in interactions, men can create a positive and welcoming atmosphere that fosters genuine connections. Ultimately, manners serve as a foundation for building trust and rapport, paving the way for deeper and more fulfilling relationships with women. Number 9. Modesty. Modesty is a subtle yet powerful trait that holds significant appeal for women. It encompasses humility, self-awareness, and a genuine sense of authenticity. A modest man doesn't boast or seek validation from others, but instead exudes confidence in a quiet and understated manner. This blend of confidence and humility is incredibly attractive to women, as it signals a level of inner strength and security. Modesty also fosters a sense of trust and reliability, as it indicates a person who is comfortable in their own skin and doesn't feel the need to exaggerate or show off. Ultimately, modesty adds depth and sincerity to a man's character, making him irresistibly appealing to women seeking genuine connections. Number 10. Generosity. Generosity is a trait that holds immense power in the realm of attraction. It goes beyond material gifts and extends into the realm of emotional generosity and kindness. When a man exhibits generosity, whether through small acts of kindness or grand gestures, it signals to a woman that he is caring, compassionate, and considerate. This can create a sense of trust and security, fostering a deeper connection between them. It demonstrates an understanding of the importance of giving without expectation, which is highly valued in relationships. By embodying generosity, a man not only enhances his appeal, but also creates a foundation for meaningful and fulfilling connections with women who appreciate his kind-hearted nature. Number 11. Young at heart. Maintaining a youthful spirit and sense of adventure is key to keeping relationships alive and thriving. Being young at heart doesn't necessarily mean acting immature or reckless, but rather embracing spontaneity, excitement, and a zest for life. It involves approaching each day with a sense of wonder and enthusiasm, eagerly seeking new experiences and opportunities to create lasting memories together. Couples who stay young at heart often find themselves engaging in playful activities, surprising each other with thoughtful gestures and continuously finding ways to keep the spark alive. Whether it's planning spontaneous weekend getaways, exploring new hobbies together, or simply enjoying each other's company with laughter and joy, embracing a youthful mindset can infuse relationships with excitement and vitality, making them irresistible to both partners. Number 12. Dignity. Dignity is the hallmark of self-respect and integrity, making it an essential trait that women find irresistibly attractive in men. When a man carries himself with dignity, he exudes confidence and self-assurance, commanding respect from those around him. This quality signifies a deep understanding of one's own worth and values, allowing a man to set clear boundaries and stand firm in his beliefs. By maintaining dignity, a man demonstrates his ability to handle situations with grace and poise, even in challenging circumstances. This sense of self-assuredness and composure can be incredibly appealing to women, as it indicates emotional maturity and stability, qualities that form the foundation of a strong and lasting connection. So, gentlemen, why not embrace these characteristics and become the best version of yourselves? After all, as the saying goes, be the man your daughter would want to be with. So, are you ready to tap into your limitless potential and begin on an adventure of genuine connections? Let's delve in and find your appealing talents. And we want to express our heartfelt gratitude to all of our viewers for joining us on this interesting journey. If you found this video useful, remember to subscribe and enable notifications for more interesting content. Let us empower one another to be the finest versions of ourselves. Until next time, remain attractive.